Hello, today we are solving Jan 2022 Unit 2 IAL paper. In the first part of the question, we had calculated the break-even point for the total number of customers need to be achieved so that they don't make a loss. Okay, so that is going to cover the cost. Now in the second part, what is the total sales in revenue at this break even point? If they are able to get, the break even number of customers, what will be the revenue at this point is the question. So the total sales in revenue, okay, at break even point, so that is going to be equal to the total number of customers you have at the break even point. Okay, total number of customers at break even point, okay, into the selling price. Okay, right? So how much is it? Whatever is the number of customers at that point, what is going to be your selling price? Selling price per customer. So this is the thing. So that is going to be equal to, so we had from the previous, the total was 520 customers were there. So 520 customers, okay, into the selling price. Selling price was 8 pounds per ticket, 8 pounds per customer. So that is going to be equal to, they will get a revenue of about 90 to 160 pounds. So 90 to 160 pounds. Then